Come with me, guys. Let me show you how I achieved this flawless and beautiful look on my first time client. First off, I'm starting off by cleansing her face with the micellar cleansing water. I'm using the Blossom micellar cleansing water. Next off, I'm hydrating her face using the Kiss Beauty green tea hydrating spray. So I'm using my fluffy brush to gently blend that to the skin, just for the skin to absorb it and help it dry faster. So once I was done, I move over to Power Seal. This is Mismetic Power Seal. This helps to control the sweat on the skin, and also serve as a primer, if I do say so myself. So once I was done, I went in with my lip balm. I used the Vaseline to moisturize her lip. Then for moisturizer, I'm using the Blossom Moist Essence Moisturizer, pat all over the face, and I'll allow that to dry down before moving over to the next product. So once the face was dried down, I used my Adventure primer. This primer is so good, small but mighty. It's Nigeria brand and it's very affordable. So once the primer dried down, I move over to set all my skin prep using the same green tea Kiss Beauty setting spray. So once that dried down, I'm trying to color correct those places that she has pimples and should I call it spots or pigmentation. So after I was done color correcting those spots, I used the V Beauty foundation and Jadris foundation. I mixed both shades and I'm using my fluffy brush like a foundation brush to blend that all over her face, just to gently blend in the foundation. After I was done with the brush, I went over with my beauty sponge just to make sure that the foundation blends seamlessly. So for contour, which is the wet contour, I use the dark shade of V Beauty to contour her chin and her forehead. So moving over to blush, I use the iMagic lip palette. I picked the pink shade in that palette and I'm using my beauty sponge off her cheek. Apply that gently blending that to make sure the skin absorb it, like it enter the skin very well. So for concealer, I'm using the Ava concealer. Apply a reasonable amount under the eyes. This is just to give the eyes the to brighten the under eyes. And I'm also using my beauty sponge to gently blend that all over the places I want to conceal. So to set the rest of the under eyes, I went in with this powder palette. It's so nice. I think it's from Motec. So I use smaller fluffy brush to gently distribute that all over the under eyes, like the places I concealed earlier on. So moving over to contour, I'm using that same powder palette. I took the kind of darker shade to contour the nose. This is just to give the nose a definition. My client's brief was simple. Just said, Tracy, make me beautiful. I just want a smoky eye, soft smoky eyes, and a red lip. And I said, so say no more. So every other thing, I'm just trying to minimize them while still making the face pop very well. So for blush, I'm using my eyeshadow palette. So I picked the kind of orange and white shapes. I mixed both shades as a blush. So after I was done, I went in with my powder brush just to blend everything properly. Then I set the skin work with that same Kiss Beauty. So moving over to the eyes, I'm using the Meet the Brown, the Annie's Beauty Meet the Brown and Annie's Beauty brush. So I just picked the orange shade, kind of orange and brown, as my transition color first. So once I was done, I just picked the darker shade of the brown mixed with the black and I apply that all over the lid. This is just to give that dark smoky eye effect. After I was done, I gave my client the mirror to check if this is what she wants, and he said exactly this is what she wants for the eyes. So I said okay. I just went in to blend in the crease to make sure there's no demarcation between the crease and the eyelid. So I picked the brown shade and I used that to smudge our waterline. Guys, if you've watched this video to this very point, I'm saying thank you. thank you, thank you, thank you. I know YouTube has not been pushing my videos, but I'm still creating content for the people that are still watching my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you for being there for me. This me saying thank you, like thank you, and God bless you. So moving over, I went in with the Polar Beauty mascara to brush up natural lashes. Then for brows, I mixed the Carrot gel liner, the brown and a little bit of the black to define the brows. So once I was done, I moved over with my David's pencil just to gently fill in the brows. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed, please like, subscribe and share this video. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think about my content. Tell me where you need me to improve, and I will gladly do so. Please guys, please, I'm begging, please support me, watch my videos. I'm open to corrections, guys, please. So once I was done concealing the brows, I went in with my fluffy brush just to blend in the concealer I used to conceal the brows. So moving over to the lips, I'm using my Eye Magic lip palette. I picked up the brown shade to first of all outline and define the lip. So guys, for the lashes, I went in with the Chill lashes. I picked one natural lash on the tray, so I'm just gently applying that on So after I was done defining the lips, I went in with my Adventure lip stain. I picked up this kind of wine shade, so this will serve as the first color, like as the base for the lip. So after I was done, the next step, I picked the Sopro lip stain, the reddish red shade. Sopro is so nice as well. So this kind of the main color. So the other colors serve as a base, yeah. And this lip is matte, is very matte, so it's very mattifying. So I'll just basically clean off the essence. So my client said she want me to use the brown again to define the lips. She still want that bit of brown. I said okay, so that's what I'm doing there. So guys, we're almost done. So to do the final touch up, I went in with my cheek glaze, the TM Essential Clear Cheek Glaze. I'm applying that on her forehead to give her that glow. So I took a bit of it to apply on her nose just to bring that glow. Can you see? My client feel like she loves it, she's feeling herself. So I'm just gently blending. You can see the excitement on her face. So to seal up the makeup, I went in with my FBH locking spray, guys. So to further mascara her bottom lashes, I went in with the Polar Beauty that I used earlier on. And guys, please, if you've watched this video to this end, this is me saying thank you. I appreciate. God bless you. And please don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share your thoughts. at the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love you.